Hi, you guys. We're going to go over your 4 answers to the atomic structure homework. Here we go. Okay, so homework question number 1 gives you the symbol right here, Br, with the mass number of 80 and the atomic number of 35. So your goal is to find the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, the atomic number, as well as the mass number. So a couple of things you need to remember are that the number of protons is always equal to the atomic number. So the number at the bottom, right here, you can think of as the atomic number and protons. Because this is a neutral atom, that means that the electrons and protons are also equal. So for A, C, and D, it's the same number, 35. For B, to find neutrons, you have to remember that mass number is equal to the number of protons plus neutrons. So we're given the mass number of 80, and we need to subtract the number of protons, 35, to get your neutrons of 45. And lastly, you have your mass number, and that's equal to 80. Okay, so let's go to question number 2. So question 2, you're supposed to write the complete symbol. Okay, so we're given that we have an element with an atomic number of 34 and a mass number of 78. So you guys, don't get mass number confused with atomic mass. Okay, mass number is not on the periodic table. We'll figure out how to get the atomic mass later on. So for the number of protons, it's equal to, again, the atomic number. So we're going to write 34 here. To get the number of neutrons, you need to know the mass number. So we have mass number is 78, and you subtract that from the number of protons, 34, to get your neutrons. So 78 minus 34 gives you 44. And again, this is a neutral atom, so your electrons are 34. To write the complete symbol, you need your periodic table. So you find the atomic number on the periodic table. So you find 34 in your periodic table, and you see that you have the element selenium. So the symbol is Se. Then you have to put the mass number on top, 78, and your atomic number, 34, goes on the bottom. Okay, so for homework question number 3, pretty similar, but now we're given the number of protons and the number of neutrons, and we need to come up with the atomic number, mass number, electrons, and the complete symbol last. So again, the number of protons is equal to the atomic number, so that gives us 91. Let's jump to C. So again, these are neutral atoms. It says nothing about a net charge, so electrons is also equal to protons, 91. You will do practice where we have the number of electrons will not be equal to the protons, so we'll do some in class. So going to B, mass number is protons plus neutrons. We're given both of those, so we add them to get 231. To get our complete symbol, we go to the periodic table, look up atomic number 91. We find the symbol Pa. And then all we need to do is put the mass number 231 on the top, and the atomic number 91 goes on the bottom. Okay, last homework question. Now we're given electrons and neutrons. Okay, so this is also a neutral atom. If it wasn't, I would have to tell you the net charge in order for you to be able to complete this problem. However, we're assuming it's neutral, so that means that protons is equal to electrons. So our protons, 78, is equal to our electrons. We know protons is also equal to the atomic number, so 78 for the atomic number. Lastly, to find mass number, you add up your protons and your neutrons, so you add 78 plus 117 to get 195. Then you go to the periodic table, find atomic number 78, you see the symbol PT, and then you just put the mass number 195 on top, atomic number 78 on the bottom, and you're good to go. Okay, so this wraps it up. Let me know if you have any questions or you need some extra help. All right, bye you guys.